Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and the new year is honestly the perfect time to do something like this. So today we're going to be talking about mood boards or vision boards. I've been making mood boards and vision boards for well over 10 years now, and for those of you who don't know, I actually went to school for fashion design and fashion merchandising. While I was in school for design, making mood boards was pretty much a mandatory thing, and obviously we were making mood boards for our designs and our collections. Ever since my college days, I have always just been making mood boards for fun. And they're not always fashion based. A lot of the times they're just, you know, goals and lifestyle themed. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make mine this year. The first thing I do before starting my vision board is to reflect on the previous year. Then I decide where my priorities lie for the upcoming year. So as you can see here, I like to write out my 2023 goals, and I'm using Notion to do this. This process makes it easy for me to decide what images will best match my aspirations for the year. So for instance, the main things I want to focus on are health, fitness, content, fashion, and lifestyle. I will then see what pictures I can find to represent these, like an image of a girl reading or the picture of the clipped shoe on the spin bike. Like many people, I like to search for my inspiration on Pinterest, so that's what I'm doing here. I wanted the feel for the board to be feminine and bright because I'll probably be seeing this image every day, and I want it to feel refreshing to look at each time and not boring. This year, I decided to make my vision board my desktop on my iMac because it will ensure that I see it every single time I use my computer to edit. So we're gonna try it out this year, and I'll definitely let you guys know how I feel about it, but you can do your vision board in any format you want. So once I have all of the selected photos from Pinterest, I will then go to canva.com. Now you can definitely do this next step by yourself from scratch, but I really like that Canva offers templates to choose from. There are some really great options for vision boards, mood boards, and collages as they call them, but because I want this to be a desktop wallpaper, we're going to look through some of what they offer for desktop wallpapers. And don't worry, nothing is set in stone. If there's something about the template that you don't like, you can definitely alter it to be what you want it to be. So as you can see here, I'm just deleting the text that this template comes with. I don't actually want to include any type of motivational quotes on the collage part of the vision board itself, but I will be adding one specific quote to the overall mood board. And then I'm just going to drag and drop the photos that I selected from Pinterest into the template, and there's no rhyme or reason to this. It's just however I aesthetically want this to look. And yes, obviously we want this to motivate us for the year, and we need this to be very visually pleasing because that's the whole point. So after taking the time to really decide where I wanted to place each photo, I finally finished the mood board, and I think it looks really great. I think it looks very cohesive with the theme of what I want 2023 to be for me. I also decided to top off my mood board with this cute little heading, and I added this quote that's really special to me. It's a quote from Kendall Toole, who is a Peloton instructor. She's my favorite instructor, and it says, "They can knock you down, but they can never knock you out." I really just resonate with this quote a lot, and I want it to be somewhat of a mantra going into this next year. So that is my vision board for the year. I think it looks very, very cute, and I think it looks really great on my desktop as a wallpaper as well. Now, this is just one way of many of doing a vision board. I have other methods for when I'm doing fashion mood boards, so if you guys would like to see that in a future video, let me know in the comments down below. So that just about does it for this video. I hope that you guys found this helpful. Back when I used to be in school, there were very limited resources on how to do things like this. And now I know there are quite a few here on YouTube, but I hope that I at least gave you a little bit of an insight onto how I personally do my own mood boards, and I hope I inspired you guys to do your own this year. And I would love to see yours, so if you make one, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at thenerdyfashiongirl. If you're looking for something else to watch, then click here to watch my last video.